Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So firstly, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation of removing the browsing data looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to remove the browser data based on this tutorial. So whenever you're on the browser, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is too long to do that and you want to remove some advanced browsing data, simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we can do it automatically. And here we've got basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. We can change the time range from all time to, for example, last 7 days or last hour, whatever. Just pick the option you want to use and then tap on clear data. Tap on clear. And as you can see, almost everything has been removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.